Hello everyone, welcome back. Sowson here. What's Christmas without the traditional ham? Let me show you how I make my traditional ham and how I glaze it with apricot jam, honey, cinnamon, pineapple, cherries. So magical, you're going to love it. Come on, let's start cooking. 4.5 kilograms of smoked ham. Technically, it's already cooked. What I'm going to be doing is just browning it and giving it more flavor. It's really salty, so I'm going to add a little sweetness to it. I will be keeping the skin on, turning it upside down, and the skin's going to protect it from any drying out in the oven. There will be 20-minute intervals with my glazing, and of course my non-stick pan. Adding 500 grams of apricot jam, 1 jar, honey as much as you need. I've got about 4 tablespoons here. Ooh, beautiful. And of course, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Just gonna let it all melt down. It's all melted down, ready for glazing. Now it's time to score and glaze the ham. Okay, we're gonna score it diagonally. That way, all the glazing will go right through it. Okay, now we're going to try and get the glazing right inside it. Not just on top. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. The cinnamon is just coming straight through. Oven to 180, and I'm going to let it cook up for about 20 minutes and take it out and reglaze. Now this is where the magic happens. It's been in the oven for an hour. Now, look what happens. A little more glazing and then back in the oven for another half an hour. Just dressing it with some fresh cherries, strawberries and apricots. This is a showstopper right here. Take this anywhere and see what happens. Wow. Okay guys, it's time for me to go. Please like and subscribe, get on that notification button and get yourself started to all of my delicious recipes. And this is one of them, the big showstopper. From my family to yours, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year everybody. Goodbye.